Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to increase storage in Google Drive. So if you want to increase or expand your storage space in Google Drive, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is click on get more storage. Then this will take you down to Google One Plan, which is a platform where you can simply purchase more storage from Google to access in your Google Drive, and you can see get more storage with a discount plan. So the most popular plan right here is 100 gig for Google Photo, Drive and Gmail. So if you want this the most popular plan, which is 100 gig, you're just gonna have to pay the total amount of 240 naira per month for 3 days for 3 months, and then you have nothing like this is how they split it. You pay 240 naira per month, and for 3 months you pay about 950 per month. Then if you want to pay per annual, then you pay about 7,840 per year. So that is how they split the payment. And also don't forget they're running a discount plan. The normal actual plan for this is just for annual you pay about 11,400. Then if it is for per month, if you want to pay per month, you pay nothing less than 950. But currently they're running on discount, so it's part of the reason why their price is kind of down a little bit. So that's it. So if you're ready for this, just click on get discount. So if it is per month you want to pay, get discount, and if you want to pay per annual, you can also get discount. If you want 200 gig, which is you pay 300 per month and up, you can also do that. So if you want that, you can just click on this drop down button, then you have access to the plan also, or probably you can simply see all plans from the down part of the screen, and this will take you down to the price plan for Google Drive, which is the plan upgrade. This mentioned this, so if you want any one of this plan, just go for it. Then just tap on any one of the plan if you want. Then from here you can save with other billing option. So if you want per month or annual, you just, for example, you want to pay for annual, just click annual, then continue, then you agree to the terms and condition. Then this will pop out a page where you can simply make the payment using your credit card or your debit card. So this might actually take a while, but since I'm not going to pay for this, I still have available space. Good Drive, I still have about close to 14 gig unused, so I'm not paying for this. So if you want to pay for this particular for storage, you're just going to add your credit or debit card, add it, then follow the process, then you have the opportunity to purchase the more storage option once you paid for the service. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.